Michael Horrocks Leadership Institute is a series of different programs and workshops designed specifically for student athletes focused on leadership development. It was designed by a group of student athletes, coaches, and administrators within the athletic department. And it's a true testament to their commitment to leadership and leadership development and providing opportunities for student athletes. And I'd be remiss not to mention the namesake of the program, which is Michael Horrocks, who was a quarterback here at Westchester who tragically died as a pilot on September 11th. But he's remembered as a fantastic leader, and he created a huge impact and legacy here at Westchester University. The program is honoring his name. The Emerging Leaders Conference is one of my favorite parts of Michael Horrocks Leadership Institute because it really provides a window into what other opportunities around leadership are offered to student athletes, both through the athletics department and the Office of Student Leadership and Involvement. They can expect collaborating with, having fun with other student athletes on campus, meeting new people. They won't be sitting in a chair the whole time looking at a PowerPoint. It's definitely an interactive event where you're up and moving, and then at the end, an opportunity to really reflect and discuss what elements of the social change model came out of the day's events. The ultimate goal of these programs is for the athletes to bring something back to their teams. And I've certainly seen an impact from these programs among the student athletes on my team as one of the women's soccer coaches. I think sometimes as a student athlete, it's very easy to get caught up within your own bubble on your team, and you see the same faces every single day. So this is a wonderful opportunity to meet other student athletes who are going through similar things and recognize, hey, there are other people that I can talk to, I can bounce ideas off of. So that's one piece of it. And then the second part is really just the earlier that we can get our student athletes thinking about leadership and what they're doing and what impact they're having and what legacy that they're making, the better. So the Emerging Leaders Conference is wonderful in that while it's a fun event, there's also some work being done. I would encourage any student athlete to sign up for the Emerging Leaders Conference. I think if anything, you'll meet some new friends, you'll get some food, you get to have some fun, you get to work with other student athletes on campus, but also you might just see if it's something that you really want to invest in. So come, see if you like it, and then if you do, there's so much more that you can step into.